Um, Good day to everybody. Um, Welcome to another market review from Trading Empire by Effective. Okay, so we are in the middle of the year, right? So we're halfway through the year, 2025, and yeah, we're just looking for what's happening for the other half of the year, right? So without wasting time, a couple of things you must know is um, what you must know is okay, so Japan, Japan as a currency. Let me just go to my charts. Okay, so getting straight to the charts, but one thing I wanted you to know is okay, Japan, right? Japanese yen has been weak, you know, um, for some time. Like this is a monthly chart, so it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 months it's been a week. So that's half of the year. And now it's about to be strong. So what happens is Japan tries to devalue their currency coming closer to the summer holidays. So it's summer holidays. So it's summer in USA, it's summer in London, summer in Europe. So a lot of people are taking holidays. So Japan likes to devalue its currency so that it has more tourists, more people coming to visit, provide income for its people. And then obviously with them people coming to visit, then it strengthens the Japanese yen, but they make it weak for the time that people, so the summer holidays start in July until probably somewhere end of August. So, but once they start in July, people go for summer holidays wherever with family. The markets are slow. Markets, you'll see that the markets have slowed down since July. They're gonna start picking up mid-August properly. So that's why the Japanese yen was weak for so long. And now it's half of the year. Um, we know that it's gonna strengthen because people are visiting. So this is something that you must know that in summer holidays, before the summer holidays, Japanese yen always weakens. But once the summer holidays come through, it strengthens, right? So first things first, always. So yeah, we are Trading Empire. You can go to our website www.tradingempire.co.za. Right? There's everything is here, whatever you need. Our YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, email, everything is there, right? Let's get straight to the charts. I want to be quick. This week, what do we have? We've got USD news, a lot of USD news. CPI, right? Been waiting for this. CPI is Tuesday, usually Wednesdays, but now CPI is going to be Tuesday. And there's some USD news Wednesday and Thursday. So there's a lot of USD news. So with that said, now that we know, um, I've been anticipating on the dollar. So this is dollar index, right? Tells me the strength of the dollar. So dollar has been respecting this trend line. You see, once price touches the trend line, it buys, touches the trend line. This is what you call engulfing, bullish engulfing for upside, and we're on a monthly time frame. So in June, USD was weak all these months. So that was June, January, February, March, April, May, January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah. So from the year started, USD has been weak, but now it's sitting at the trend line for support to move higher. So we expecting dollar strength, right, across. So with that said, everything should show dollar strength. So let's go to GBP USD. This GBP USD is sitting in on the monthly time frame, sitting on what we call mitigation zone. I call it mitigation zone. But basically, you see there's a lot of resistance here, right? Price came there in June, touched that area, hasn't broken through. In July this month, it's coming down. USD strength, as we predicted, USD strength is coming. Euro USD. predicted a breakout and a retest here. Broke out of there, retested with that candle, continue to the upside. But now it's in a mitigation zone for a drop. So now this is a seller's market, right? On a monthly time frame. So we're looking for sells long term, you know. So we're looking for entries. Both GBP, USD, Euro USD, cool. Um, NZD USD as well, right? We saw a buy because it broke out of here. We saw a breakout, retest, and it moved all the way to our TP on top. And now we are looking for sells from there, coming back down there. So we're looking for sells now. As we said, USD is strong. Hit that area. Now we're looking for sells, right? From there. We predicted that move from there to the buy, then we're in the seller's market now. USD CAD looks like it's a similar look like the XY, right? Um, this area has been this trend line has been supporting, but it broke out there to that level. But now we're anticipating, since it's a 5-way move down, we're expecting that ABC, and that's USD strength from there. So it's just consolidating here to break out to be bullish. Right. USD ZAR as well. It's been sitting on this block with this what's called range. This is a range block. Every time touches it goes up, touches it goes up, and right now it's touching there. So it broke out of this trend line here, broke out, retested. Now it's coming back, should come back and retest for a proper retest of this trend line, right? So you can already see by the candle movement that there's bullish momentum. See how bullish this candle is, then it ranges a little bit bullish again. So it might range a little bit that bullish, but we are looking for buys on USD ZAR. So all these pairs we're looking for USD strength. And when USD strengthens, the the indices drop, they sell. So we're looking for some drop in indices now. They are at its highest point. Indices are at the highest point, right? So we're expecting some sells there. If we zoom out the recent chart, you will see that this is the support region for indices. That's the resistance. So we're just waiting for price now to reverse. Same with US 30. It's at its resistance level, right? You see every time it comes there, it resists. So we're looking for a drop. Cool. So we've covered the USD pairs correlating with that strength that's coming there on dollar. Now gold is an animal of its own, so we trade it on its own. We don't correlate it with anything, but it's a safe haven. So there's been a lot of things happening between USA and some countries. So once anything happens, it forces gold to go up because people will put their money into gold. You understand? So it doesn't go down for a long period. You see. So we had our ABC movement. Now we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. It's done that one. Retrace two. It's gonna retrace a little bit to the downside. That means USD strength, and then push further up, right? So we are clear on that. Now, with the Japanese yen, I did say that from the beginning of the year, it's been strong due to people did wanted to devalue its currency so that tourists come. So tourists are now there. Beginning of this month, it started being strong because obviously if people are spending in that country, then it makes the value of the Japanese yen strong. But they did try to devalue it from beginning of year to make things cheap so people can visit because it's summer holidays now. So now it's strengthening, right? JPY is going to strengthen. So across all pairs, you look for down momentum to strengthen the JPY. So we're at a key level of resistance. We're expecting drops there. GBP JPY, Euro JPY also it's at its highest point. We're expecting bearish momentum to come through now. And the DJPY just for it to touch there and then come down in this week. Maybe there'll be a spike before it comes down. But yes, we're looking for sells. And CHF is safe haven as well, like gold. So that's why CHF JPY was pushing so hard to the top side because putting the money in there with all the uncertainty with what's happening in the world. Seemed like there's gonna be war. So people would put their money there as a safe haven. But once the market is now stabilizing, since I did say that it's summer holidays right now, probably now it's gonna retrace a bit. So yeah, that's it for my market review. I kept trying to keep it short so that you all understand. Those are the pairs I'm looking for. We're looking for dollar strength and Japanese yen strength. So USD JPY will determine which one is the stronger one. Yeah. So we will be checking out USD JPY and see which one is the stronger one and focus on that one more. But yeah, we're looking for dollar strength, Japanese yen strength. We're looking for gold to retrace a bit to push to the upside. So my trade retrace like till Wednesday or so, and then we push to the upside. So yeah, that's it for me. Good luck for the week. Cheers.